it does not cease to put a massive smile on my face instantly. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. Today we're here with Nick. We're back down at my friend Dean's SoCal Classic Car Storage, and we're about to dig into something that went blowing by me recently in one of the cruises, one of the quarantine cruises.
It's a 63.5 Galaxie 500 fastback.
Well, I'm curious, why a Galaxie 500?
To be honest, my dad had one when he was young. He used to cruise, down in San Fernando Valley and do all that stuff. He was more a lowrider. It had, custom paint job and interior, had hydraulics on it, all that stuff. And I just always dug the body lines. So you wanted that car. I got you. I mean, I could tell for obviously the wheel and tire setup on here. You're a drag guy. You're a straight line guy. Oh yeah. So I went away from the FE platform, like the 390s and 427s and stuff. They're a high dollar build if you're going to really try to get some horsepower out of them and whatnot.
Okay.
So this is a 460 that I've punched out to 520 cubic inches.
Oh man.
Every nut and bolt's been touched on it. It's ARP, everything top to bottom.
You've done like suspension, chassis work.
Yeah. So the front end's all tubular control arms from Fat Man Fabrication. It has RideTech coilovers on it. It has an AFCO 1-inch sway bar on the front. The trans cross member is a custom K member that me and my buddy built. And then the rear is all RideTech 4-link that we've reinforced and stuff. It's still twisted up pretty good. It probably needs a little more reinforcement into the chassis with how much power it makes.
Really?
Yeah.
How much power does it make?
The engine made 720 horse on Danzio's engine dyno.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's on pump gas?
Pump gas.
Wow, dude.
It's only 10-1 too.
Oh my God, and that's all just pure engine.
Yep.
That's badass. And I see Willwood, so I'm assuming your Willwood brakes all around on the car?
Yep, it's 6-piston Willwood with 13-inch rotors in the front and 4 pistons in the back.
Yeah.
It's got their proportioning valve. It's a big, heavy car, so I didn't want to go with like kind of the small, lightweight, like 15-inch drag brake type setup.
Yeah. What does this car weigh? Do you know? Have you?
Yeah, I've had it on the scales. It's a 3780 without me in it.
Okay, not actually as bad as I thought. I would have expected.
It's right there with new Mustang and Charger and all that stuff.
Yeah,
so.
But you're making considerably more power. God, that's got to be funny, just walking some of these guys.
Man, I haven't got anybody who wants to mess with me yet. And
I'll bet, man.
I want to. I want to play, but.
Yeah. But you hear this thing, and then you see the tire setup. It's like, we'll let it go. So what are you running trans on the car?
It's a C6, but it's got all 4R100 guts inside of it. It's got a billet planetary set, a bunch of stuff. It's got a cone performance, a billet torque converter in it, all kinds of things.
So it's really built to
it's
deal
built
with
up.
the power through it.
It's got a strange chromoly drive shaft. The whole differential is all strange. It's a strange third member, strange 35 spline axles.
Wow.
So I kept the stock housing, but just replaced everything.
It's funny because it looks like, you look at the exterior of this car, it's like, it doesn't look radical until you start actually looking around. Right. I mean, the wheels and tires right away, without hearing the car, you can tell like something's going on here. And then obviously you fire the car. Speaking of exhaust, dude, what did you do to get the tone you got? Because you got a really cool sound on this car.
So it's 2-inch primary headers that come down into a 3.5-inch collector. And then we made some custom little convergent cones that we welded inside of it. And then it's 3.5 stainless steel all the way back with a custom X pipe. And then it's running a set of pipes mufflers.
Okay.
They're right at the back, kind of right by the bumper. They're maybe like 1.5 feet, 2 feet in from the bumper if you look under there.
The other thing I noticed when we pulled up here, man, is how you're almost a bone stock interior out here, aren't you?
I'm still making.
Are those the stock seats?
Yep.
They are.
Yep.
You're making how much power?
720.
720, and you're rolling around with the stock friggin' seat belts. What about your gauge readout here?
So that's the Holley Pro 6.8 dash. It's all, picks up all the information from the Holley Sniper EFI that's on it.
Well, dude, let's Let's fire it up and take it out and go
Sure,
for a little cruise.
sure.
That'd be really nice. I'd love it. Hey guys, before we go for a drive, head over to atlamerch.com and check out the store. All right, let's go for a drive. Yeah, you can hit past them. God, dude. You can tell, I mean, I'm sitting passenger, so I don't know what it's like over here, but sitting here, it feels like this car is built right. Like,
Yeah, I like how it turned out a lot. You know,
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
so you said it was how long of a project to get it to where it is now for you?
I took it apart to get it where it is now. It took me about about a year, just over a year.
How much? So when you're blasting it like that, how much input are you giving it? You think?
That's probably like 3/4.
Okay. It does not cease to put a massive smile on my face instantly.
Right here?
Yeah. I swear, dude, I turned into a little kid with this shit, man. I just friggin' love it. And I can tell, like, it takes me a couple minutes of riding with someone and I can quickly tell if you're a driver or not. If you are, like you are,
I love the drive.
I just get to just chill out and enjoy the ride, you know? Go for it. Oh, God, dude. Wow, man. Effortless, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez. We can go back in there. We'll let them deal with the smoke show.
Chris just got smoked out.
I hope you guys enjoyed this big block, badass Galaxie. Stick around because we're going to show you another Galaxie that was done a while back that is a monster car. Thanks for hanging, you guys. We'll see you in the next one. All right, man. Later.